Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious flan with condensed milk using an easy method. First, let's create the caramel base. Gently melt 1 cup of granulated sugar in a saucepan over medium heat until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Once melted, carefully pour this hot caramel into a 9-inch round baking dish. Swirl the dish immediately to ensure the bottom is evenly coated. This forms the essential sweet foundation for our creamy flan. Next, we'll prepare the rich and creamy flan mixture. In a large bowl, combine 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk with 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. Crack in 4 large eggs and add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for that classic aroma. Use a blender or whisk to thoroughly combine all these ingredients until the mixture is perfectly smooth and uniform. This ensures a silky texture in your finished dessert. Now it's time to bake our flan to perfection. Carefully pour the prepared flan mixture directly over the cooled caramel in your 9-inch baking dish. Next, place this baking dish into a larger roasting pan. Fill the larger pan with hot water, creating a water bath that reaches about halfway up the sides of the flan dish. Bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 50 to 60 minutes, or until set. Finally, the moment of truth, cooling and serving your magnificent flan. After baking, allow the flan to cool completely at room temperature for about 1 hour. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator and chill for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. This firming process is crucial. When ready to serve, carefully run a knife around the edge, then invert the dish onto a serving plate to reveal the luscious caramel sauce. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.